Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving headfirst into the future, exploring the top 10 fastest-growing robotics trends of 2024. These aren't just your average, everyday robots. We're talking next-level innovation, from AI-powered machines to swarms of robots working together with a level of coordination you wouldn't believe. These advancements are poised to disrupt industries from manufacturing to healthcare, agriculture to education. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into it. First up, we're talking about AI-enhanced robotics. Robots are becoming more intuitive, adaptable, and human-like. Imagine robots that learn, make decisions, and understand human language. This is the future of AI-enhanced robotics. Equipped with advanced sensors and computer vision, robots perceive their surroundings. They identify objects, recognize faces, and understand emotions. This perception is key for safe human-robot interaction. AI makes robots more dexterous and agile. Advanced algorithms and sensors enable precise manipulations. From surgery to assembly, AI-powered robots push boundaries. The future of AI-enhanced robotics is exciting and requires careful consideration. Next, let's talk about collaborative robots, or cobots. Cobots are designed to work alongside humans, safely and efficiently. Imagine a world where robots enhance jobs, taking over repetitive or dangerous tasks, and freeing up humans for problem-solving, creativity, and innovation. Cobots are equipped with advanced sensors, including proximity sensors, force sensors, and vision systems, that allow them to detect the presence of humans and adjust their movements accordingly. Unlike traditional industrial robots that require specialized programming skills, cobots can be easily programmed and reprogrammed by operators with minimal training. This flexibility allows businesses to quickly adapt their production lines to changing customer demands and product variations. In manufacturing, cobots are used for tasks such as assembly, packaging, and quality inspection. In healthcare, they assist surgeons with delicate procedures and provide rehabilitation support to patients. And in logistics, they work alongside human workers in warehouses, optimizing order fulfillment and inventory management. The rise of cobots is transforming the way we work, fostering collaboration between humans and machines. The future of work is collaborative, and cobots are leading the charge. By embracing this new era of human-robot interaction, we can unlock unprecedented levels of productivity, efficiency, and innovation across industries. Let's talk about a field where precision is paramount: healthcare. Robotics in healthcare is evolving rapidly. Robots assist in minimally invasive surgeries, improving precision and reducing recovery times. They also help in physical therapy and elder care, enhancing quality of life. Systems like the Da Vinci surgical system allow complex procedures with tiny incisions. AI integration further enhances robotic capabilities in healthcare. Alright, let's talk about something I'm sure you've all been waiting for: autonomous vehicles and drones. Self-driving cars have been making headlines for years, but 2024 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the industry. With advancements in sensor technology, AI algorithms, and regulatory support, self-driving cars are closer than ever to becoming a mainstream reality. Imagine a world where commuting is no longer a chore, where traffic accidents are drastically reduced, and where logistics and delivery are revolutionized. That's the promise of autonomous vehicles. But it's not just about self-driving cars. The drone industry is absolutely booming, with applications ranging from aerial photography and videography to package delivery and infrastructure inspection. Companies like Amazon are investing heavily in drone delivery networks, promising faster, cheaper, and more efficient delivery services. And with advancements in drone technology such as longer flight times, increased payload capacity, and improved obstacle avoidance, the possibilities are endless. Ensuring the safety of these systems is paramount, as is addressing concerns about liability, cybersecurity, and job displacement. Despite the challenges, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles and drones are too significant to ignore. The future of transportation is autonomous, and it's arriving faster than we think. Let's move on to a field often overlooked in tech advancements: agriculture. Robotics is revolutionizing food production, making it efficient and sustainable. Robots plant seeds, harvest crops, monitor health, and analyze soil with precision. This addresses food security and climate change challenges. Robotics reduces labor costs and manual work. Robots automate tasks, freeing humans for specialized roles. Precision agriculture, enabled by robotics, is a game changer. Robots collect data to optimize farming practices. Embracing these technologies ensures a resilient food supply. Now let's address the elephant in the room: human-robot collaboration. The idea of robots and humans working side by side might seem like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming increasingly common. The key lies in developing intuitive interfaces for easy control and interaction. Gesture control, where robots respond to hand movements, and brain-computer interfaces, where you control robots with your thoughts. One promising area is manufacturing. Robots perform complex assembly tasks, while humans focus on dexterity, problem-solving, and creativity. This collaboration increases efficiency and reduces workplace injuries. The future of work will be shaped by human-robot collaboration. By embracing these technologies responsibly, we can achieve common goals. Let's talk about the future generation. Because robotics in education is no longer a niche concept, it's becoming an essential part of the curriculum. And we're not just talking about teaching kids how to code. Robotics offers a unique hands-on learning experience that engages students in STEM subjects: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Imagine building and programming your own robot, learning about mechanics, electronics, and software along the way. That's the power of robotics in education. AI-driven robotic tutors are emerging as personalized learning companions, providing students with tailored instruction, feedback, and support. These AI tutors can adapt to each student's learning style and pace, providing a more engaging and effective learning experience. One of the key benefits of incorporating robotics into education is that it fosters creativity, problem-solving skills, and critical thinking. Students learn by doing, experimenting with different designs, troubleshooting problems, and iterating on their creations. This hands-on approach makes learning more engaging and helps students develop valuable skills that are applicable in various fields. Robotics also provides students with a deeper understanding of how technology works and its impact on society. By providing students with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive in a technology-driven world, we are empowering them to become the innovators and problem-solvers of tomorrow. Let's dive into biohybrid robots, where robotics meets biology. Robots with living tissues that can move, sense, and heal. Imagine robots that adapt, change shape, and repair themselves, revolutionizing medicine, environmental monitoring, and space exploration. Tiny robots delivering drugs directly to tumors. Robots detecting pollutants and cleaning oil spills. The future of biohybrid robots is limitless. Let's shift gears again and talk about a field that's quietly revolutionizing businesses of all sizes. Robotic process automation, or RPA. Now, before you imagine physical robots roaming office hallways, RPA is all about software robots, or bots, that automate repetitive, rule-based digital tasks. Think data entry, invoice processing, scheduling appointments, and even responding to emails. This frees up human employees to focus on more creative, strategic, and engaging work. RPA is like having a digital workforce that can work tirelessly 24/7 without errors or breaks. It's about streamlining workflows, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. One of the key benefits of RPA is its ability to integrate with existing systems and applications. Unlike traditional software development, which often requires significant coding and customization, RPA tools allow businesses to automate processes without disrupting their existing IT infrastructure. This makes RPA a cost-effective and scalable solution for businesses of all sizes. The applications of RPA are vast and span across various industries. In finance and accounting, RPA is used to automate tasks such as invoice processing, account reconciliation, and fraud detection. By embracing RPA and IA, businesses can streamline operations, reduce costs, improve efficiency, and free up human employees to focus on more strategic and fulfilling work. Let's talk about swarm robotics. Imagine robots working together like a swarm of bees or a colony of ants. Swarm robotics involves simple, inexpensive robots tackling complex tasks. They're used in search and rescue operations. Swarms can locate survivors, assess damage, and deliver supplies. Their size and agility make them ideal for hazardous environments. They're also used for environmental monitoring and cleanup. Swarms can monitor air quality, detect pollution, and clean up waste. In agriculture, they handle planting, weeding, and harvesting. Swarm robotics will play a crucial role in many industries. So, there you have it, the top 10 fastest growing robotics trends of 2024. From AI-enhanced robots to swarm robotics, the future is looking incredibly exciting, and a little bit intimidating to be honest. But one thing's for sure, robotics is rapidly changing the world around us, and it's only going to accelerate from here. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of robotics, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which trend you're most excited about, or maybe even a little bit scared of. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in robotics and technology. See you next time.